Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. If you have seen my previous video when I moved from Canada to Europe, and now I'm trying to organize my ordinary life, daily routine, and I do love watching all this video on YouTube, like studio tour or something, but we're talking about drones, particular FPV drones, and today I want to share my set for 2024. Here we go! But first, I want to say thank you and make a small gift for you. Maybe 1,000 followers doesn't seem very impressive, but for me it does. It is not enough to get a YouTube button, so I made one for myself. Thank you for spending your time watching my videos. At the end I will tell you how you can win this frame for 5-inch drone, and for now, let's go, shall we? And the first one will be this little drone. Actually, I have two of them. I have a full video on my channel about this beautiful wireless drone. There I tell you why I think they are so important. I fly whenever I can, and you can fly indoor or whatever you want. It's absolutely cool. It's not a simulator anymore. You can use it to train your skills, improve your throttle control, and all of that. Cheap, effective, fun. I'll leave the link in the description on this one and to the similar. We go from smaller to bigger, and the next drone is just incredible. It is not a drone but a treasure. What do you think about this one? One of my favorite drones is a drone sub 250 grams with an O3 unit system, 3S battery. I love it for the fact that you can fly it almost anywhere. It doesn't scare people, it's quite safe, and we remember the possibility of recording 4K video. I love it, great job betaFPV, just in case, link in the description. Okay, let's move to the next one, and that's my 3-inch GEPRC Cinebot30. I'm using this drone with a naked GoPro 11 camera. This drone has made a ton of money. I have flown real estate, both outside and inside. Just to be clear, I always fly in acro mode. I know there is a lot of discussion of this topic, but in my opinion, the shots are more natural, the flights are smoother. With batteries of 1100 mAh high voltage success, the flight time is something like 8 minutes. By the way, the video about FPV commercials is also on my channel. There are many shots from this drone. Okay. This guy is absolutely incredible. The video about this drone on my channel is called the most significant FPV drone. What can I say? Love it! It's a 3-inch drone, sub 250 grams, and it's 6S. I have done incredible things with this drone because it gives us a lot of possibilities. You do not need to register this drone. More places are available for you to fly this drone, and it's an incredible fun drone that's great for practice and anything else. I do not have a video about this drone. It's a 5-inch drone. It's a little bit unusual. I tried to make it more universal so that it would be suitable for shooting track days and some kind of like mid-range flight. For this purpose, an extended antenna was installed as well as a GPS module. This frame from Quadmula is quite light. The components are from T-Motor. This drone can fly for 12 minutes in cruising mode and can also reach speed up to 136 km/h. But there is one problem, is quite obvious. This frame is not dead cat, so the propellers are visible in this shot. But we move on, and you may have seen the video about my waterproof drone. Well, I rebuilt it, transferred it to another frame. Actually, this is a frame that I want to present to you. Molten carbon, titanium bottom plate and aluminum bumper. Even the wires are covered with carbon, so it's heavy and it is also incredibly stiff. This drone is not waterproof anymore, but I have fun with it in a different way. So, this is a 7-inch long-range drone. This is an incredibly popular Chimera7, in my case with O3 unit and the TBS DJI Crossfire receiver. It is unlikely that I will say anything new about this drone. As I said, it is incredibly popular, but I have to say that this drone awoke my interest in drones of this type. Of course, like everyone else, it has his own specific features and skills for flying. but it is very interesting. I'll just say that I chained the lithium battery to this Lipos giant, 8000 mAh capacity, and I'm very happy with it. Of course, I have a few more ideas for a drone that I would like to have, such as a rebuilt photoproof drone. I also have an idea for an incredibly expensive freestyle drone, but that's it for now. We don't talking about DJI drones, Sawata and all of them. At the end of the video, I promise to tell you how you can get such a frame from me as a thank for your interest on my channel. So everything is very simple. Subscribe, like this video and write a comment so that you can build drone based on this frame or whatever you want. In this way we will be able to choose randomly winner, for example, in 2 weeks. I wish you good luck and thank you for being with me.